So this is us having a few pictures before we set off, and endured all the pain, especially Heidi's bum. Hang on, love. You okay? That's better to take cover off because I couldn't. Oh, we're alright, nobody bothers, I don't think. So, today's Friday, Heidi's got the day off. I've been down to see the doctor. Now we've got a bit of time for this afternoon, so we've come out on a bike ride. It's me and Heidi there.
Cheers.
Cheers. We stopped for a drink at the pit stop at the Slug and Lettuce. I've got a bourbon and cola.
And I've got a vodka and peach iced tea.
Nice. I'll show you that.